Oh, I'm live. Hi. Oh no. I'm supposed to unbox it. Hi, everybody. So, this is my first live session. So, forgive me if I fail. मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि I will fail miserably because I am really bad at this, but I really hope कि अच्छा जाए. So, are we waiting for people?
We have around around 900 people.
What?
Yeah.
Like 900 people are, oh my god, 900 people are actually watching me right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi everybody, for everyone, मैं हूँ हाजरा यामीन. This live session is for Techno Mobile and their new phone, that is the Camon 17 series. मेरे पास है इनका Camon 17 Pro और ये है an unboxing video. शुरू में एक ब्लूपर हो गया, forgive me. But yeah, I really want to see कि क्या scene है इस phone का, because I've heard so many good things and I got a whole list of things that it has to offer. So let's see. It's a pretty good size, surprisingly light, I must say. It's such a nice color. So it comes in two colors. एक है इसका California Dream Silver and the other one is Malibu Blue. I think this is the Malibu Blue, and I love the fact that it's matte and at the same time it gives a really nice shine. And they also mentioned that it's smudge free despite the surface. Really nice and I love the grip, and it's very light, really light. Nice. New shiny happy phone for me. So we'll just get into the details. So apparently it has the clearest selfie camera. One thing that I really liked about it is that now Instagram is a part of our jobs now. So whenever I have to upload a lot of pictures, so I have to download different apps कि मैं अच्छा 2-3 pictures अगर एक साथ upload करनी है तो I have to really make sure that I have the right apps for it. इसकी ये अच्छी बात है कि it has a software, it has a feature इसी phone में जो कि makes folders for you and uploads those folders as it is. So you can edit pictures उसमें और बस सब कुछ हो सकता है. And another feature which is going to be my favorite is the mono feature, the mono photo feature, the black and white pictures. So I love taking black and white pictures. I love the feel of them. I love the mood of them. I remember मैं अपनी काफ़ी सारी colored pictures लेके तो I just try कि अच्छा सही वाली black and white pictures बन जाएं, but I just fail miserably. But the good thing is कि इसके अंदर एक feature है जो कि खुद ही आपकी picture automatically black and white ले लेगा and you will not have to work hard on it. So एक तो ये है. What else? So it has a 48 megapixel selfie camera. Not bad at all. And also इसका battery का क्या scene है यार? I really want to know because battery का सबसे ज़्यादा जो है concern होता है. Where's the battery? I think it had a. What was the battery timing? Shiri?
High watt battery थी.
हाँ.
And it's very fast.
हाँ. And also it has a 64 megapixel primary camera, which is amazing. It takes really good pictures in low light. Hi. It takes really good pictures in low light, and the processor is really fast and smooth. It has a unique photography and gaming experience for all the gamers out there. Make sure you get this phone. And what else?
It has 25 watt flash charging.
Ooh, 25
Watt flash charging.
Wow, it has a 25 watt flash charging, which is amazing. And yeah, so what I want to talk about is the fact कि मैंने इतनी देर से ये phone पकड़ा हुआ था and it's pretty much smudge free. Like I don't see any marks on it despite the surface. And I really want to like turn it on and see. Okay. How do you turn it on?
People are asking about your and Wahad's movie when it's coming.
Our movie, yeah, our movie. So here's the thing, everyone. I really, really, really want you all to pray for Asma Nabil. And जैसे ही वो सेहतयाब होंगी, हम इस मूवी पे काम करना शुरू कर देंगे. And we're all praying for her. She's not health-wise, she's not in a really good condition. Her cancer is back and she's fighting it. So please remember Asma Nabil in your prayers as much as you can. So inshallah, whenever she recovers, so we will start working on the film. And of course, I'm really looking forward to working with Wahad again, because I really had a good time working with him the first time in Hyderabad.
So people are asking if it's a good phone for gaming.
So here's the thing. So the other day, मैं इन लोग के साथ एक और जो है लाइव सेशन करी थी when I was in Lahore with their team. And उन्होंने स्पेसिफिकली ये मेंशन किया था, फॉर ऑल द गेमर्स आउट देयर, इसका जो प्रोसेसर है, उसका जो रैम है, इट्स रियली फास्ट. एंड इसकी जो स्टोरेज है वो बहुत अच्छी है फॉर ऑल द गेमर्स. के बीच में जो है ग्लिचेस आ जाते हैं, बीच में आपके वो रुक जाती है गेम, ऑफ हो जाता है. एंड ऑल्सो द बैटरी टाइमिंग इज सो गुड दैट इट्स अ रियली गुड फोन फॉर गेमर्स. सो या, इट ऑल्सो हैज़ portrait mode and it captures pretty good landscape images as well. So I really do think about the picture folder wali cheez that I was talking about. It's called the photo management film album. So the folder wali option, it's the same one जिसमें आपको कोई भी apps फजूल में download नहीं करनी पड़ेंगी, and you will be able to just upload pictures without any hassle. So I really like that about this one. And yeah.
So will you be? People are asking, will you be using this phone?
I will be using this one definitely. I just received it, and from the features that I've read, मुझे भी अभी पता लगा है कि ये scene है, and I would really, really, really like to use it. I like to use light phones, to be very honest with you, and phones that are not very flashy. So I love the fact that it's not very flashy and it's surprisingly light. So, even if I'm holding it, so I know that, I'm not at least holding a brick in my hand. So, it's very handy. Shireen, you're quite entertained, aren't you? So, yeah. Shireen is, my manager, and she's helping me out with this live session. We did not have a tripod, so she's, trying to hold my phone still.
So people are asking about the price.
About the price.
And how can they book it, like regarding those details?
हाँ, जो price है इसकी, that is 31,999, which is not a bad price at all with all of these features. And also the pre-order booking starts from the 16th of June on Daraz.pk, and the official sales for this phone begins from the 25th of June on online and offline markets as well. So keep 16th of June in your mind to pre-book it, and also once it's starting from the 25th of June, you'll be able to buy it online and offline. So yeah. Sorry?
Tapios.
Oh, there's another feature जो कि आपकी photo. Thank you so much for that, Shireen. I'm so sorry, Techno. But there's another feature which I'd like to tell you about. That is the Taivos feature, which automatically enhances your photo and your video quality. So it's really important for me, because having a good phone is pretty much a part of my job now, because I need to record the BTS and what's happening in my life, so you guys can see bits and pieces of what's happening in my life. So yeah, उस हिसाब से
People are asking कि इसकी megapixels कितनी हैं?
Megapixel जो front camera के हैं, that is 48, और जो back वाले camera के, that is 64. So ज़्यादातर जैसे vloggers हो गए, actors हो गए, for all of us, front camera का ज़्यादा काम होता है. So I think 48 megapixel is a pretty decent, feature. So yeah. Do you guys want to ask something else? क्या scene है?
People are asking, what is your birthday month?
July is my birthday month. Also, हम लोग ये बातें कर ही रहे हैं. So I'd like to ask if all of you have gotten vaccinated or not. So I'd like to take this opportunity and remind you all to please get vaccinated. If you're in Karachi, so either go to the Arts Council or go to Expo Center. I personally went to the Expo Center. I loved the management over there. It didn't take me more than 20 minutes to get my shot. And also it's 24/7. So please go get yourself vaccinated. If not for yourself, then for the people that you love. COVID is not going anywhere anytime soon until you take responsibility of it. So yeah. Anything else?
People are saying yes, we've gotten vaccinated. A lot of people are saying that.
Yeah. I got the Sinovac. शुरू में the first 3 days मुझे थोड़ा सा fever हुआ था, but then I was fine. Now I'm fine. I'm going to get my second shot, inshallah, by the end of this month. So yeah. And also wear your mask, guys. I'm also going to keep showing this phone to you.
Can you say the model name again, because people are asking?
So it's called Camon 17 series. This is Camon 17 Pro in Malibu blue. I love the sound of it. Malibu blue. And so it's pretty matte and shiny at the same time. मैंने काफी देर से पकड़ा हुआ है and no smudges at all, as you can see. So yeah, are we good?
Yeah, I think we're done.
We're done. How many people are watching me?
Let me just turn this off.